So let's take a look at what Greece owes. June is going to be an expensive month. They've already squeezed every ounce of extra cash from their battered economy, but they'll need to find another $7.4 billion. $1.6 billion of that is to repay the International Monetary Fund for its bailout assistance. The rest are bills, including $1.8 billion in salaries and state pensions. And the Greek government says it will prioritise those pensions over any payments to the IMF. So, assuming they get through June, July, they'll have to find another $6.5 billion. Some will go to repay the IMF, others will go to pay off bills, but majority, $3.8 billion, will be for the European Central Bank. They've been keeping Greece's banks afloat with emergency financial assistance. So if Greece isn't bankrupt by August and has miraculously made all their loan repayments, things will start easing slightly, with just $193 million to the IMF, just over $1 billion in bills, but still an enormous $3.5 billion to the ECB. So what happens if they can't make these repayments? Well, Chief Economic Analyst Vicky Price from the Centre of Economics and Business Research explains.
I think the best option that is out there, which will satisfy the markets, is if the Eurozone just muddles through in this particular case, which means possibly lending the Greeks a bit of extra money so that they can make some of the repayments that are due to the European Central Bank and the IMF, and then worry about the rest of the debt later.
So what Greece owes to the IMF and the ECB is only 8% of its total debt. If they can clear that, they'll be light at the end of the tunnel.